I like playing with little cars, building roads and racing fast. No one around, it's time for transformations. We are little monster cars. We are looking for adventures. Play with us, play like us. We are Mocas, beep, beep, beep. We are Mocas monster cars.
Cars, Jessie left the room. Wake up!
Wow! Race, race, race!
Cars! Cars! Come out quick!
Surprise, surprise!
Wow!
Look at the track Jessie has built for you.
Wow!
It's huge, with long straightaways and dangerous loops. Gru, careful! The track is not finished yet. Boo found a part of the track on the floor.
Mocas.
Monsters, we must transform into construction vehicles and finish building the track.
Transformation.
Cray and Boo lift the part of the track. Oh, it's so heavy. It's very heavy for Cray. X, help! Fantastic!
Wow. Hey.
Let's lift one more part. Done! And now a soft pillow. Gru and Boo push it towards the track so no one crashes. Yes, X, you can race. You're first. Here's the start. Look how fast X drives. The excavator passed the whole track. Now it's Buzzie's turn. Boo also drove to the start. And now Gru.
Start.
Mocas, Jessie is coming. Hide fast. No one should know your secret.